Hello and welcome to a video presentation of the VIPA PROFINET connector. The VIPA PROFINET connector is easy to use and price competitive. It consists of two parts only and enable a fast assembly without special tools. The industrial housing is from robust zinc and a fitted cable strength relief is simply possible. Now we will show you how the assembly is done. At the attached mounting information is described how to isolate the cable and the pin segments. Insert the cables accordingly. The blue and white goes in the button at pin 3 and 6, and the yellow and orange in the top at pin 1 and 2. Then cut the leftover wires and put the other part on top. This part enables the connection. Now the cable strength relief can be done. That's it. The VIPA PROFINET connector can be used at Profinet networks as well as at Ethercat and any other Ethernet-based network. So with is the VIPA PROFINET connector in all sense universal and efficient. Thanks for watching.